How to use the LKG kit. Contents of the kit: 3 phonic books and a supporting audio-video CD, 3 sets of reading cards, 1 box of letters of the alphabet, 1 box of jumbo crayons, 1 book of stories and a supporting DVD, 1 book of songs and a supporting audio CD, a math workbook, 1 cursive pattern tracing book, and 1 science book. So here are the 3 phonic books, and each phonic book has a set of reading cards. So after you finish each volume, you need to get your child to read the sentences in the reading card. So volume 1 has book 1, volume 2 has book 2, and volume 3 has book 3. This is the math workbook. There is a science workbook, a cursive tracing pattern for LKG. Then you have a storybook and a supporting DVD, a songbook, and a supporting audio CD. Now the 3 phonic books are supported by an audio-video CD that makes it very easy for you to teach your child phonics. Start with volume 1. Go at the child's comfort level. Play the audios in this CD as and when the exercises require them. It will teach you and your child the correct pronunciation of the letters and the words. After you finish this book, start doing the reading cards for this book. You may take about 3 to 4 months to complete volume 1. And here your child will be able to read only 1 or 2 sentences per day. Go at the child's comfort level. Do not force the child if the child does not show interest on a particular day. After completing volume 1, go to volume 2. As you're doing volume 2, get your child to read the sentences in book 1, which goes with volume 1. After completing volume 2, start the reading cards for book 2. Now the child has to read both book 1 and book 2 sentences. Otherwise, it may forget the sentences in book 1. After volume 2, go to volume 3. As you're doing volume 3, the sentences in book 1 and book 2 need to be read. After completing volume 3, start the reading cards for book 3. Before the child gets into upper kindergarten, it should be able to read all the sentences in book 1, 2, and 3 very fluently. Here are the 3 reading card books. This cursive tracing pattern book should be done along with the phonic books. As you complete each letter, let the child trace that letter in this book. This storybook comes with a DVD. This DVD has ebooks. All the stories in this book have been made into ebooks for the child, and at the end of every video there are vocabulary exercises where the child has to repeat the words. Go to the website cft.in and download the storyboards for each story in the download section. color the storyboard and narrate the story to your child. Then play the video and let your child watch it. After you have told the story 3 or 4 times to your child, let your child tell you the story. This song and rhyme book comes with a supporting audio CD. It will develop good pronunciation and intonation. Play the songs and dance with your child. Encourage your child to sing along with you. Make song time fun time. This math workbook gives the child a very good foundation in preschool math. Go page by page, and for each page, plan for hands-on activities. Use the things that are available at home. Let the child count using spoons or bean seeds or pencils, whatever is easily available. Along with that, teach your child the multiplication tables 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the form of dance and song. This science workbook is an activity book. Let your child explore the wonderful world of nature. Go out, observe trees, flowers, insects, birds, look at the sky. Let your child observe the clouds. There are lots of fun activities for your child to do. And with this book, you can encourage the budding scientist in your child. A lot of very useful preschool guides and templates are available at the CFTE website. Go to cft.in, go to the downloads in the menu. You will find storyboards, number counting charts, flashcards, etc. Please make use of all of them when you are using the CFTE materials. Thank you.